In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete playlists on YouTube. So for any reason you want to delete a YouTube playlist, this is how you can go about it. First thing you want to do is open YouTube, and once YouTube is opened, you want to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see playlist after history. To view all your playlists, you can tap on view all, and here you'll be able to see all playlists that you have created on YouTube. On the playlist you want to delete, you want to tap on the three dots beside the playlist, and you see the option to delete the playlist. Tap on delete and tap on delete again. This will remove that playlist. On your PC, to your left bar, you will see the use section. Here you're going to see playlist. Click on playlist and this will load all your playlists. Under any playlist you want to delete, you see the three dots. Click on this and you see the option to delete the playlist. So thank you for watching this video on how to delete playlist on YouTube. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Also, if you do have questions, do make sure to leave a comment in the comment section. I hope to see you guys in my next video.